Hi guys, and tonight I'm going to show you all how to set up and configure DHCP on Windows Server 2008. To do this, we are going to open the Server Manager. Once that is open, we are going to go down here. We're going to add rows. And you guessed it correct. We're going to click DHCP Server. We're going to click Next. And we're going to start the configuration. Before configuring DHCP, ensure that you have started the IP. My IP address is 10.0.0.2. I'm going to use that one. Next, the parent domain which I'm currently using niger.com, and my IP preferred DNS server IP address. I will leave it as 10.0.0.2. Click validate to ensure it's correct. Click next. We click next because we don't require wins. We're not going to set a scope here as yet. So you're going to click next. We're going to click disable DHCP version 6 because we're not using IP version 6. Okay, and we're just going to click next, and we're going to go through the installation process now. This is going to take a little while, so what I'm going to do is pause the video and I'll return to you guys as soon as it's completed. As you can see, the installation is completed. What we're going to do now is click close, and we're going to exit off the server manager. Okay. What we're going to go now is go to start, administrative tools, and we'll then open the DHCP. Right, as you can see, IP version 4, and if we click, there's a scope already configured. That was my scope from before. Right, what I can do for tutorial basis is delete the scope. Right, and I'm now going to add a scope. So we click new scope. We click next. For this version, we'll just put test. Description don't really has to be anything definitive. Our starting IP address, we're going to use 10.0.0.1 all the way up to 10.0.0.100. We're going to use a different subnet mask. We're going to click next. Our starting IP address that we don't want the people to use. We'll reserve the first 10 IP addresses for our router, our servers and stuff. So we're going 10.0.0.1 all the way up to 10.0.0.10, and this will be exclusion range. Now we click next. Right, I'm not going to stop it so fast. What I'm going to do, and I'm going to give you about 5 hours on the system, then we release you again, and then you get a new IP address and stuff, and we click next. Right, yes, I'm going to configure the scopes now. To add an IP address to the router, our router IP address again is 10.0.0.2 because we're using the IP address of this computer here. Click add, click next. We don't have to really set up anything here. But if we want, we could have add niger.com, which is the current domain. And his IP address is also that of the server. And we click next. And we click next. And activate scope now. And click finish. Our scope has been activated, as you can see here at present. As present, our scope has been activated. You can see our exclusion range is from 0.1 to 0.10, but you can use the available class. At present, we have no addresses. Reservations is like if you want to reserve a special IT for a special computer. Scopes and stuff. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to minimize this version of it, and I'm going to open Oracle and I'm going to run Windows 7. Right, I'm going to pause this video until Windows 7 is booted up properly to show you the difference and address list and stuff. I'm going to pause this video until Windows 7 is booted up properly and then I'll resume. Right. And as you can see, Windows 7 is booted up properly, and if we look over here, you will see that Windows 7 has been assigned the IP address 10.0.0.11, which is the first available IP address from the exclusion range. Right, if we're going to go to start here, we will go to CMD or command prompt, and we're going to type in ipconfig. Right, we'll be able to see that IP and confirm that it is connected to nightshell.com. Right, and it was given the IP address as 10.0.0.11, and also default gateway is that of the server. Right, and that is the end of my video for showing you guys how to set up and configure DHCP on server 2008. Good night.